Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source of cryptocurrency news and updates. Today we're talking about MicroStrategy's recent Bitcoin investment and how it's turning green again. As we reported earlier, MicroStrategy announced its plan to buy $650 million worth of Bitcoin in December 2020, which was followed by another $1 billion Bitcoin purchase in February 2021. The company's CEO, Michael Saylor, has been a vocal supporter of Bitcoin, referring to it as a digital gold and advocating for other corporations to invest in the cryptocurrency as well. However, with Bitcoin's price plummeting in May and June, MicroStrategy's investment started to turn red. In fact, at one point, the company's Bitcoin holdings were worth less than the amount it paid for them. But now, with Bitcoin's recent price surge, MicroStrategy's investment is turning green again. As of July 8, 2021, the company's Bitcoin holdings are worth around $3.7 billion, which is more than the total amount it paid for them. This is good news for MicroStrategy and its shareholders who have been concerned about the company's heavy investment in Bitcoin. Saylor has defended the investment, arguing that Bitcoin is a better store of value than cash and that the cryptocurrency's long-term potential outweighs short-term price fluctuations. But the recent price surge is also good news for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. After months of bearish sentiment, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are starting to recover, with many analysts predicting that the market will continue to grow in the coming months. Of course, there are still risks involved with investing in cryptocurrencies, and investors should always do their own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. The move into Bitcoin by MicroStrategy and other large corporations is seen as a significant endorsement of the cryptocurrency by institutional investors. As more major players get involved, the more legitimacy is given to the cryptocurrency industry. MicroStrategy's move into Bitcoin may have been a smart financial decision for the company, but it also signals a shift in the way that large corporations view the cryptocurrency. As more companies continue to follow in their footsteps, we could see a significant increase in the value of Bitcoin in the coming years. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment, which has been the subject of much speculation and scrutiny in the cryptocurrency world, has finally turned green again after several months of losses. The business intelligence firm's CEO, Michael Saylor, has been a vocal advocate for Bitcoin, calling it digital gold and investing heavily in the cryptocurrency as a treasury reserve asset. MicroStrategy's initial Bitcoin purchase was in August 2020, when the price of Bitcoin was around $11,500 per coin. Since then, the company has continued to accumulate more Bitcoin, with its total holding now standing at approximately 91,579 BTC. However, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment strategy has not been without controversy. As the price of Bitcoin continued to rise throughout 2020 and into 2021, many criticized the company for overexposing itself to the volatile cryptocurrency market. MicroStrategy's stock price has also been highly correlated with the price of Bitcoin, leading some to argue that the company's fortunes are now entirely dependent on the success or failure of its Bitcoin investment. This criticism appeared to be justified in the early months of 2021, when the price of Bitcoin began to experience a significant pullback after reaching an all-time high of nearly $65,000 per coin in mid-April. By mid-June, the price of Bitcoin had fallen below $30,000 and MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings were worth less than the company had paid for them. Despite these losses, Saylor remained bullish on Bitcoin and continued to advocate for its adoption as a treasury reserve asset. In fact, MicroStrategy even raised $500 million in debt in order to buy more Bitcoin during the market downturn. Now, several months later, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment appears to have paid off. As of the time of writing, the price of Bitcoin has surged above $50,000 per coin, and MicroStrategy's holdings are once again worth more than the company paid for them. According to public filings, the company's Bitcoin holdings are currently worth over $4.5 billion, representing a substantial return on investment. The recent price surge has also had a positive impact on MicroStrategy's stock price, which has risen in tandem with the price of Bitcoin. At the time of writing, MicroStrategy's stock price is up more than 200% from its 2020 lows. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment strategy remains a topic of debate in the cryptocurrency community. Some argue that the company is taking on unnecessary risk by holding such a large percentage of its treasury reserve in a volatile asset like Bitcoin, while others see it as a bold move that could pay off in the long run. That's it for today's update on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency news and analysis.